Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales. In today's video, I will show you how to duplicate collections in Shopify and make bulk edits by yourself. We're going to use an app called Matrixify and an Excel sheet or Google Sheets to make the changes. Currently, Shopify does not have a bulk way to duplicate or make bulk changes in the backend, so you have to use an app. The app we like to use is Matrixify. It is a paid app, so depending on how much data you want to transfer or duplicate, you will have to pay a monthly fee for it. The good thing about Matrixify is you can also back up your entire site with it, which we've made a video in the past and we'll link to it. You can see here the number of collections based on the package and the monthly fee. For example, you can export and import 300 collections on this package and on and on. I've already installed it for this video, and we have a few sample collections, both manual collections and auto collections, or smart collections and manual collections. What is a manual or smart collection? Let me show you before we start. A manual collection is a collection that you select which products belong in the collection or the category. An automated collection is a set of rules that automatically define which products go in, and it's automatic and dynamic. It changes with the changes of the product catalog. Okay, so once I've installed the app, I click on install. I have it on my store. The first thing I want to do is make sure that I have enough collections that support what I'm trying to do. We're trying to first duplicate it and make bulk changes. So I want to have at least one of every single type of collection, so I can easily have a template Google Sheet or template Excel that is easy to copy, and then I can work with it in a much easier way. For example, I have a few manual ones and a few auto ones. You can see that. I'm going to go here to Apps Matrixify, and I'm going to export the collections. I select here Sheets, and I select Smart Collections and Custom Collections. Smart are the auto collections in Shopify. Custom are the manual ones that I select which products appear. I click here on Export, and I'm going to wait a few seconds to get all of my collections. Once I do that, I'm going to download the file, and I'm going to open it in Google Sheets, or you can open it in Excel. It's the same. I click on Download, and I import it into Google Sheets, and I can use it. You can use it in Excel as well. Now I'm going to have two columns. One is the auto collections, or what they call smart collections, and one is the custom collections, or what they call the manual collections. I'm going to start with the easier one, which is smart collections. If I want to duplicate it, all I have to do is take the collection I want to duplicate. For example, I will delete these. I have a collection called Automated Collection. If you go to the store, Products, Collections, Automated Collection, I have a collection that is called Automated Collection. The rules are prices less than $800 and more than $200. Between $200 and $800, any product that is active will appear in this collection. Also, my search engine listings are right here, the URL and the page title. What I can do if I want to duplicate it, I just want to change the name. All I have to do is just change the name. For example, auto number 2. And I will, for each element, each row represents an element or a setting in the auto collections. What I will do is also take the handle. I'll take the same numbers, but remove any spaces, capital letters, and any special characters. For example, I'll call it auto-2. And now I will delete all of the IDs that exist here because I'm importing something new. Product ID, and these are all my products, and I'm good to go. I will go to File, Save As, or Download as CSV, and I will go back to my app, Matrixify, Import Box, Add File, and import the Smart Collections. Remember, when I save the CSV, it'll only export this tab itself. If you save as Excel, it'll export all tabs. CSV will do this one, so I can do one by one, I can validate it. Once I did that, I click on Import, and I will wait for the update. If there are errors, it'll tell me they're errors, and I can check what they are. If it's successful, you'll see that it is successful, and I can validate it. Import finish. It doesn't say there are any errors, so I can proceed. If I go here to Products, Collections, now I can see Auto 2. It is the same thing. It's called Auto 2. I have the same rules, same conditions. Great. If I want to make any changes, not just creating a new collection, I can change any settings that I have here. The sort order, for example, is the sort order right here. I can change it. Just make sure you use the same exact name, one by one, character by character, so it sits. If not, you'll have an error and you'll fix it. If I want to change the conditions right here, I can scroll to the right all the way here. All conditions, and the two conditions are right here, row by row. Less than 800, greater than 200. And here in column W, it shows all the products that are currently set up. Because it is an auto collection, this will update automatically, so you don't need to worry about it too much. Now we completed the smart collections or the auto collections. Now we're going to do the custom collection. This is a little more time consuming because instead of just setting up the rule, I will have to import every single product that I want inside. I will click here on custom collections. And if I want to just duplicate it, I will duplicate, for example, the Happy Holidays. I can just change it to Merry Christmas. For example, there's a category called Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Or I can call it top sellers or whatever it might be. I can set up all the same settings. I will delete the IDs. And now the most important part here is to make sure that you provide the product handle. What is the product handle? When you look at your products, I click here on products and I edit a product. For example, I want to input this product into the collection. I will go all the way to the bottom, select URL handle and copy this. If I copy this and I put it in my sheet, for example, right here, the first product that will belong is this product. Very easy, it'll belong inside. I will do it for each one by one by one. Let me show you with one more. And I want to import, for example, this product. I will scroll down all the way, copy this URL handle, and put it. Now for rows, I will do 1 and 2, so there is a simple logical number. Once I do that, I will delete the third row because I'm only importing 2 products. If I want to put the meta title tag or the meta description, I can put it. If it's blank, it'll automatically adapt the new title that is right here. Once I finish, I will click here, download, save as CSV, and I'll import it as well. Let's go back, import box, add file, select my custom collection, make sure there are no errors, and click on the import button. If everything is okay, there will be no errors here. That is great. I can go here to my products and my collections and validate it. I have a Merry Christmas with the same settings, best-selling sort, and the 2 products I just added, and everything is good to go. If you have any questions about anything we showed you or any specific case, let us know. OneScales is here to help you. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if it did help you in any way, please like, subscribe, and share. That's all we ask from you guys. Thank you very much.